Hey, it's Mike Turner here, and my assignment was for Principles and Practices of Community Placemaking by Professor Steve Grabow. As you can see in the image there, this is part of my notes for that. It was a real joy having to distill 48 pages down to basically a 2.5-minute presentation. What you're looking at here, starting at the top right, you'll notice the logo there is a little strange. It's not just for cool looks. It actually turns out to be a diagram of a compact urban setting, which is the main idea of his story, of his article here rather. And once I got through the initial, it actually came into a rather concise set of documents here and ideas, and he divides it up into two things, basically principles and practice. Principles, he has 19 principles that he says the research has shown to be sound and good ideas for urban communities. And then the practices are divided into 10 segments, and each of them are ideas and practices to get community involvement into their community. The idea of the whole process is that it's not just about not just about creating a space, as we architects tend to do, but it's about placemaking. So up at the corner here, probably my favorite quote of his is, "Places are places and not just spaces because they have identity." In other words, there's something unique about them. There's something that draws people there. They want to be there. They own it. It's not just, some random place you could find anywhere on a map, because it's a suburban dystopia. On the final page I made, I did a series of reference pages that list, with a photo, lists out the principle indicated. I did just kind of a sampling, but I also left 2 spaces open intentionally so that everybody could add some ideas of your own, and feel free to scribble all over this if you print it out and use it and make it your own. And if you guys have any questions, should be in class about 10:30. Thanks.